Ever noticed an abundance of hair in your brush and found yourself wondering about the factors at play? This unsettling revelation is a shared experience. At some point, we've all been there, hair-sprayed and horrified, staring at a brush that seems to have become a new home for our once thriving tresses. Hair loss is a natural part of life. We typically shed 50 to 100 strands daily. However, when the shedding begins to exceed this average, it's crucial to understand the potential triggers behind this increased rate. One of the most common instigators of hair loss is stress. In our fast-paced modern world, stress is as ubiquitous as a morning cup of coffee. Chronic stress has the ability to disrupt the normal hair growth cycle, pushing more hair into the shedding phase. This condition, known as telogen effluvium, is well documented in scientific literature, including a 2007 study published in the Indian Journal of Dermatology. Nutrition plays an immensely important role in hair health. Our hair thrives on a diet rich in vitamins such as A, B, C, D, E, minerals like iron and zinc, and proteins. The lack of any of these essential nutrients can disrupt the hair growth cycle and lead to hair fall. A 2017 study published in Dermatology Practical and Conceptual supports this, highlighting nutritional deficiencies as a significant trigger for hair loss. Hormonal changes are another major factor in hair loss. Pregnancy, menopause, and certain medical treatments can cause hormonal imbalances leading to excessive hair shedding. Aging is also a natural contributor to hair loss, with hair follicles weakening and producing thinner hair, or ceasing to produce hair at all as we grow older. Medical conditions like thyroid or autoimmune diseases are often associated with hair loss. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation in 2018 emphasized that certain medications could also contribute to hair loss. Genetic factors significantly influence hair loss. Predetermined by our genes, both male and female pattern baldness or androgenetic alopecia is a hereditary condition passed down through generations. But there's no need for despair. Understanding these triggers can help in managing hair loss. Emphasizing a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients, managing stress effectively, and seeking medical advice for underlying conditions or hormonal imbalances can help maintain the health of your hair. We're here to guide you through this journey, simplifying these complex factors, providing an insightful roadmap to understand and conquer hair loss. Stay with us as we explore the enigma of hair loss, supported by scientific studies and facts, to help you regain your confidence. Let's delve deeper into how yoga and regular exercise can enhance your circulation and stimulate hair growth. Yoga, a centuries-old practice, is characterized by a combination of physical poses, breathing techniques, meditation, and moral principles. Each of these elements contributes to overall health and has distinct advantages for promoting hair health. The physical postures of yoga, also known as asanas, are instrumental in improving circulation, particularly in the scalp. A study published in the Journal of Physical Activity and Health found that yoga can improve circulation by increasing blood flow and oxygen supply to various parts of the body. When implemented in your routine, asanas ensure that your hair follicles receive essential nutrients and oxygen, which in hair growth and stimulates inactive hair follicles. One particular pose, the downward dog, is particularly effective in enhancing blood flow to the head, resulting in healthier and stronger hair. In addition, yoga and regular exercise play a significant role in mitigating stress, a considerable factor contributing to hair fall. In a study published in the Archives of Dermatological Research, high stress levels were linked to conditions such as alopecia and premature graying. Leveraging mindful practices like yoga can help alleviate stress and consequently diminish its damaging effects on your hair. Complementing your yoga routine with simple practices such as scalp massage could further augment these benefits. Scalp massage not only blood flow to your hair follicles but also provides a relaxing end to your day, further alleviating stress levels. A study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science revealed that a regular scalp massage could promote hair thickness by stretching the cells of hair follicles, thereby stimulating the follicles to produce thicker hair. This dual strategy could be the secret to your journey towards healthier hair. So, the integration of yoga poses like the downward dog and the practice of scalp massage, backed by research, could be your initial steps towards healthier hair. Next, ponder over the familiar adage, "You are what you eat." The concept is not just an integral part of your physique and wellness, but it also holds importance for your hair's health. Scientific research has proven that nutrition is a pivotal element in the vitality of your hair. Much like every other facet of your body, Your hair necessitates a diverse gamut of nutrients to thrive and maintain its health. Let's dig deeper into this scientific perspective. Similar to how your body mandates nutrient-dense food for optimal functioning, your hair is no different. Vitamins, to illustrate, are imperative for the health and growth of your hair. A range of vitamins including vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K have been found to be remarkably beneficial for your hair health in several research studies. But the importance is not confined to just vitamins. Minerals like iron and zinc too hold notable significance. Studies have shown that iron assists in transporting oxygen to our hair follicles, which is indispensable for growth and repair. On the other hand, zinc plays a prime role in hair tissue growth and repair, as per scientific findings. It also ensures that the oil glands around our follicles are functioning correctly. Another critical nutrient backed by science is biotin, a part of the vitamin B family. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, has been proven to be critical for hair health and overall scalp health through numerous scientific studies. It is naturally available in many foods but can also be ingested as a supplement if required. So, what edibles should you incorporate into your diet to ensure your hair is receiving all these essential nutrients? We're referring to foods like spinach, nuts, eggs, and fish. Research has shown that spinach is abundant in iron, folate, and vitamins A and C. Nuts are teeming with a variety of B vitamins, zinc, and fatty acids. Eggs are an excellent source of biotin and protein. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which multiple studies have found to be beneficial for hair health. So consider incorporating spinach, nuts, eggs, and fish into your diet. It's not about adhering to a flawless diet, but more about ensuring you're nourishing your hair with all the essential nutrients it requires to be healthy and robust. By concentrating on devouring nutrient-laden foods, you can nurture your hair from within and stimulate its growth, as supported by a wealth of scientific research. For an enhanced level of hair nourishment, a DIY hair mask is your best ally. Are you weary of the adverse effects of harsh chemicals on your hair that strip it of its natural sheen and vitality? The solution is surprisingly closer than you think, right in your kitchen. The magic potion for robust, glossy hair is a concoction of 3 readily available ingredients: yogurt, honey, and aloe vera. Each of these ingredients brings its unique benefits, backed by scientific research. Yogurt is a rich source of proteins, vitamins, and fatty acids, essential elements that revive dull hair and improve its elasticity. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Dairy Science found that yogurt proteins significantly enhance hair strength and density. Honey, as per a 2013 review in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, has impressive emollient and humectant properties. It naturally moisturizes the hair, preventing breakage and promoting growth. Also, honey's antioxidant properties can protect your hair from damage. Lastly, aloe vera, proven by studies, is a powerhouse of vitamins and enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It conditions your hair, leaving it smooth and shiny. A 2018 study in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment highlighted aloe vera's potential in promoting hair growth and reducing dandruff. To create this nutritious hair mask, blend equal parts of these ingredients. Massage the mixture into your hair, ensuring every strand reaps its benefits. Take a well-deserved break and let the mask work its magic for 30 serene minutes. Rinse off meticulously. It's an uncomplicated and organic approach to nourishing your hair. But that's not all. Behind the countless home remedies available for you to explore lies a foundation of scientific principles and empirical evidence. These remedies offer a plethora of options that can improve your hair health and overall appearance. For instance, a potent mixture of coconut oil and curry leaves is often recommended. Scientifically, this is because coconut oil is loaded with lauric acid, which easily penetrates the hair shaft, while curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and proteins, essential for hair growth. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetology and Trichology validates the hair-strengthening abilities of these ingredients, making hair less susceptible to breakage. On the other hand, dealing with an irritated scalp, a combination of aloe vera and lemon juice can be your solution. These 2 ingredients have scientifically proven benefits. Aloe vera, according to a study in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment, has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, while lemon juice, with its high vitamin C content, can help in maintaining scalp health. These remedies are not just scientifically backed, but also economical and incredibly simple to prepare, requiring ingredients often found right at home in your kitchen. As we conclude, we'd like to emphasize the scientific importance of maintaining a persistent hair care regimen and how it ultimately leads to the development of robust, shiny hair. Our hair is an external indicator of our internal well-being and lifestyle. Hence, it becomes crucial that we nourish it with the correct care and therapies. The methodologies we deliberated today, if embedded into your daily schedule, can result in perceptible alterations in your hair's health. This has been supported by a study published in the International Journal of Trichology, which stated that consistency in hair care practices can result in improved hair quality and strength. The transformation of your hair could be a steady process, but the outcomes are worth the patience. It will not only augment your hair's volume, but also its texture and vigor. We grasp the challenge of handling hair concerns, and hence, we're dedicated to offering the most effective hair care advice backed by scientific research. We believe that knowledge is most effective when disseminated. Hence, we urge you to subscribe to our channel and become a part of our community of hair enthusiasts. As we persist in delivering you the most efficient hair care solution supported by scientific studies, we anticipate your active involvement and interaction. Your feedback is precious to us, and we're always enthusiastic to understand your thoughts and experiences. If these tips, supported by scientific evidence, were beneficial to you, please share this with your acquaintances and loved ones who may profit from it. After all, healthy hair, as confirmed by science, is something we all desire and work towards. We are grateful for your time and focus today. We hope you found our session enlightening and are thrilled about your scientifically informed hair care journey. We're continually striving to provide you with more enriching content, supported by data-driven research, and your backing motivates us to enhance our efforts. Thank you for tuning in today. Until our next encounter, keep shining and stay fabulous.